Have you ever wondered how the creamy mayonnaise you spread on sandwiches and burgers is made on a massive scale? Inside giant food factories, thousands of jars of mayonnaise are produced every single hour using advanced machines and carefully controlled processes.
Eggs look good, no
Let's take a look
issues.
inside the fascinating journey of how mayonnaise is made. The process begins with the arrival of raw ingredients. Large shipments of fresh eggs, vegetable oil, vinegar, mustard powder, salt, and spices arrive at the factory. Before production begins, every ingredient goes through strict quality inspection. Technicians test samples in laboratories to make sure the eggs are fresh, the oil is pure, and every ingredient meets food safety standards. Once approved, the eggs move to automated egg processing machines, and these machines can crack thousands of eggs per minute. The shells are removed, and the egg yolks are separated and collected into large stainless steel tanks. The yolks are the key ingredient that gives mayonnaise its rich texture and flavor. Next comes the mixing stage. Inside giant industrial mixers, egg yolks are blended with vinegar, mustard, salt, and seasonings. Powerful rotating blades mix these ingredients together to create the base of the mayonnaise. Now comes the most important step: emulsification. During this stage, vegetable oil is slowly added to the mixture while high-speed mixers spin continuously. This process breaks the oil into tiny droplets that blend perfectly with the egg mixture. The result is the thick, smooth, creamy texture that mayonnaise is known for. After the mixture reaches the right consistency, it passes through a machine called a homogenizer. This machine pushes the mayonnaise through narrow spaces under high pressure, making the texture even smoother and more stable. This step ensures that the mayonnaise stays creamy and doesn't separate.
Now for the taste.
Before packaging, the mayonnaise goes through another round of quality testing. Technicians check the texture, taste, color, and thickness to make sure every batch meets the company's standards. Once approved, the mayonnaise is pumped into large storage tanks before moving to the packaging line. Meanwhile, empty plastic jars are manufactured, cleaned, and sterilized to ensure they are completely safe for food packaging. On the filling line, automated machines dispense the creamy mayonnaise into hundreds of jars every minute. The jars then move along conveyor belts where lids are sealed tightly and labels are applied. Finally, the finished jars are packed into boxes, stacked onto pallets, and loaded onto trucks for delivery. From there, they travel to supermarkets and stores around the world. And that's how mayonnaise goes from simple ingredients to the creamy condiment we enjoy every day. The next time you open a jar of mayonnaise, you'll know the incredible journey it took inside a giant food factory to reach your table.
Okay, load the next pallet onto truck 1. Copy that, moving in. Good, next one to truck 2, let's keep the pace.